Hi everyone, Rainy here, and good news! I finished sanding the boat just a little while ago. Still a little itchy, but I did much better this time. I covered myself from head to toe. I had gloves, I had a sweater, I taped the sweater to my gloves. I had a hoodie, I had a mask, I am wearing sweats all the way down. Everything is covered except for a little around my face. I didn't use my leaf blower because it was windy out there today and that was cool, but a few times the wind blew it right in my face. So I'm itching a little bit, but not nearly as much as last time. I should have kept my gloves on until I took everything off, but I took my gloves off and then I took them off. But hey, you know, I'm a Frenchman. We do things a little backwards up here. So here's a picture of what I looked like. All right, now, questions. This is a question video. Okay, I did all that. I'm sanded and I'm ready to put the filler on because I have some good little holes and uneven places. So I need to get some kind of like a fairing compound filler. So I guess my question is, now what? All right, here's what I have. I have this West System 410 Microlite fairing filler. I understand that stuff's supposed to be good. I haven't used it. It's pretty much full. And I also have 403 microfibers adhesive filler. I think, yeah, this is what I was using just to thicken the epoxy to make it like glue. So I think, yeah, this is the stuff I need to use. But would I be better off using this or using some other kind of filler? I know I've been seeing a lot of people use a lot of different things. Some people are saying some of them are softer and easier to sand. This one is supposed to be harder and more difficult to sand, but I would imagine if it's harder, it's gonna be harder on the boat, so it's gonna be safer for the boat. So that's my first question. Which filler should I use? And any tips on using it, because the boat's kind of a little bit uneasy, so what I want to do is put enough of it so I could use one of those board sanders, I guess, to level it out. Number two, painting, okay? I want to put paint on this that's going to last. I painted a canoe a few years ago, and 2 years later it was chipping. And I used that Petit, P-E-T-I-T, marine paint, and it didn't work that great. Maybe I didn't prepare it right. Maybe it wasn't sanded well enough. I had just finished sanding everything, but who knows? So should I use a paint like that on this? Should I use like a two-part epoxy paint? That's all I really know about. Let me know what paint I should use. Now remember, this is just a little panga. Okay, I'm not going to sell it. It's just for me. So I don't want to, you know, have to mortgage the house to buy the stuff. So something that's fairly affordable that will work good on the boat. And in addition to that, should I just paint the thing with the whatever kind of paint I use? Or should I put like some people have like a bottom paint, I guess you could call it. You see black bottom paint and they try to make it on a certain line and then they paint it another color on the top. I'm thinking maybe navy blue. So should I do that two-tone thing with the marine paint and the bottom with the bottom paint, I guess you call it? Okay. I just know the advantages. It's going to be stronger, but let me know what you think. I'd love to hear your thoughts. If you tell me something that's real cool that I hadn't thought of, I might even mention your name over here in my next video, what I decide to do. So those are the things. I'll put a couple pictures up here if I haven't done so already, because I didn't edit this video yet, of the end product of the sanding to show you that I did do it and I'm not just kind of trying to squeeze out another video. And it seems like it took me so long to sand it because I could only work an hour here, 2 hours here. But today I said I'm going to stay here until I get it done. Beautiful day. It wasn't that hot. Sun was out and it was breezy. So I enjoyed it. And like my wife said, are you having fun? I said, yeah, I am. And that's the whole idea. So I hope you're having fun with your projects. If you could answer any of these questions, I'd appreciate it. And you know what I'd appreciate even more? If you go below and subscribe right now. It would really make me happy to make my day. Even in addition to finishing sanding, I could say, someone subscribe. Go ahead, I'll wait. Did you do it yet? Anyway, thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye-bye now.